Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this low messy bun with an accent Dutch braid. To start, we're going to just curl the hair. I've used my GHD straighteners. Now we're going to create our Dutch braid, so take a small slice of hair from the top of the head and split this into 3 even sections. Cross that left strand under the middle strand and then the right strand under the middle strand. Now cross the left strand under the middle, but this time we're going to add a slice of hair from the top of the head and then cross the right strand under the middle, adding hair from the hairline. I've left a few pieces of hair out to frame the face. Continue crossing the strands under the middle, adding hair as you go, and repeat this until you reach just behind the ear. Once you reach the ear, stop adding hair to the strands and just finish it off as a regular 3-strand braid. To add some more volume to the braid, all we're going to do is literally just pinch the very edge of each stitch and gently pull it out until you get the desired look. When you've got that braid looking nice and voluminous, just tie it off with a clear elastic band. Next, we're just going to section out the hair on the opposite side of the braid. So take the tail end of your comb and run it from the crown of your head down to just behind the ear and clip this out of the way until later. Next, we're going to work on the back section of the hair, so we're going to split this in half by going from ear to ear and just tie this off with a clear elastic band. Just to make sure everything's nice and loose, just hold onto that clear elastic band and use your thumb and finger to gently pinch and pull at the hair to give it a softer look. Next, just clip that ponytail up and out of the way for now. Gather the hair in the remaining section and just tie this off with an elastic band. I'm gently back brushing the ponytail using a boar bristle brush, so hold the ponytail upright, take your brush from the tips of the hair and run it gently down to the elastic band. This creates a nice fluffy texture without your hair getting too knotty. So smooth over the top layers so you can't really see any of the back comb. Give it a twist and just wrap it around that elastic band to form a bun shape and just pin this to the head using a few bobby pins. Release that top ponytail and split it in half. twist one of those sections towards the face and wrap it around the left hand side of the bun. Secure these to the head using bobby pins. And then repeat on the other side. Release the section at the front of the head that we didn't braid and just bring this towards the back of the head, twisting it towards the head as you go. Lay this across the top of the bun and round to the opposite side and just secure this with bobby pins all along the twist. Next, take your braid and again drape it over the top of the bun and tuck the tail ends under the twist to help everything blend together, and just secure this all the way along with a few more bobby pins. I'm just using my GHD to create some gentle curls just to frame the face. So here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to see more tutorials. Thanks.